My family trip 5 days of fun. My family and are going to take a 5-day trip to the mountains and we are very excited. Here's what we are going to do each day. Day 1. We are going to arrive at the cabin in the afternoon. We are going to unpack and rest. We are not going to explore the forest. Yes, because we will be tired from the trip. Day 2. We are going to hike in the morning and enjoy a beautiful views. My dad is going to take pictures of the mountains. My little brother is not going to hike the whole way because it's too long for him. Day 3. We are going to visit a small lake near the cabin. We are going to have a picnic there. We are not going to swim because the water is very cool. Day 4. We are going to play board games and watch movies inside the cabin. It's going to rain, so we are not going to do any outdoor activities. Day 5. We are going to clean the cabin and pack our things. We are going to say goodbye to the mountains and return home. We are not going to stop on the way back because we want to arrive early. Goodbye. Thank you.